from 3 Guys 1 Puck here, and today I'm breaking 2016-17 Series 1 Upper Deck Hockey. Tis a blaster box, so we're expecting 2 Young Guns. Let's hope for a good name. In my history, I tend to pull Leafs in this box, but not the big boys.
Yeah.
16-17 likes to tease the hell out of me.
So there was a lot of Leafs in this year.
There was, yeah. Because even Series 2 has Marner, right? And Connor Brown, if not Connor Brown in Series 1.
Wow.
But in the first pack, we have Paul Martin, Paul Stastny, Shining Stars, Victor Hedman. That's nice. Why what?
Why does it look different than the other one?
What do you say? Probably just the colors.
Is it like a blue variant?
Probably. Yeah, I don't think I've pulled a blue one yet, so... Oh, this pack is doing me.
You smell.
Mark Stahl, Andy Green, Carl Soderberg, Robbie Fabry, and Devin Dubnyk. These packs are... Ooh.
Brutal.
And then just oh, this jersey. Curtis Lazar, John Gibson, Logan Couture, Calvin DeHaan, and Jake Allen.
Jake.
Good old Jake. Next up, Marcus Kruger, Scott Hartnell, Mikhail Sergachev, Young Guns.
Okay, that's good.
It's a good name. Bada boom.
Yeah.
Matt Zuccarello and Tyler Bozak. Let's see who the other Young Guns are gonna get. Come on. Jake Muzzin, Ryan O'Reilly, Henrik Sedin, UD Portraits, Dustin Byfuglien, and Aaron Ekblad. Big buff.
Come back.
Yeah, at the recording of this video, boy ain't back yet. Is the boy back yet? Jason Spezza, Sidney Crosby, Mike Smith, Anders Lee, Joffrey Lupul. I'm surprised he still had a card in 16-17.
Lupul?
Yeah.
Who is he?
A hockey player.
Thanks.
He was a former first-round pick in like 2002, I think.
Really?
And yeah, I think he had some injuries that derailed his career.
Yeah, he was really good.
He was, yeah. Justin Williams, Alexander Steen, Brad Marchand, Ryan McDonough, and Matt Duchene. Oh, yeah, 2 teams ago.
Yeah.
3 teams ago, Jesus. Played for Ottawa, Columbus, and now he's on Nashville.
Crazy.
Markov, Michael Backlund, a UD Canvas, Yannick Hansen. What are with the Canucks in this box? I guess it's only 2, but yeah, still. David Krejci and Craig Smith. I just noticed Canucks more because I'm a Flames fan. Ugh. My nose is itchy, but I'll live. We got Matt Murray, Patrick Kane, a Shining Stars, Drew Doughty. Matthew Tkachuk is better. Yeah, there's yeah, that's a parallel. That's neat.
Yeah.
Martin Jones and Patrick Berglund. I wonder if he's ever going to come back to the NHL.
Why did he leave?
Got bought out by Buffalo for like not showing up to camp or something.
Just a name.
Yeah, Jeff Carter, Dylan Larkin, and a Zach Werenski Young Guns. Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I do have them up there side by side. 2 good names, but come on, man. Chris Kreider and Kyle Palmieri.
What are the chances?
Well, for sure, trade you Sergachev at this point.
Maybe Line is next in this pack.
Brent Boyens, James Van Riemsdyk, Tyler Myers, now on the Canucks, Nicholas Hjalmarsson, now on Arizona, and Bobby Ryan, still playing with his shit wrists. Fragile little things. Last pack, we have an Alex Galchenyuk and David Krejci Series 1 checklist. weird players to put side by side. Michael Delzato, Adam Henrique, Jacob Silverberg, and Joel Ward. Oh, that was actually a very, very good blaster box, getting Zach Werenski and Mikhail Sergachev. It's just unfortunate that we already have both of them.
Right there, yeah.
But, I mean, hey, they're good doubles to get for sure. And we also got the 2 Canucks over here. We got Henrik Sedin, UD Portraits, Yannick Hansen, UD Canvas, and then the 2 Shining Stars, which one is a blue parallel. We have Victor Hedman blue parallel and Drew Doughty regular. So yeah, comment below what you think the better Young Guns is, because they're both drafted around the same area and they're both really good. Zach Werenski just happens to have broken out earlier, but I think Sergachev on Tampa Bay could be deadly in a few years. But yeah, if you like this blaster box, give it a like, comment below who's better in your opinion, which will gain value more over the next couple years, and subscribe for more.